welcome back with me again. I'm still in Ubud area. Let's walk around here. This is Jalan Gautama Selatan. Let's walk around here. I want to see the situations around here, guys, because this street is one of my favorite street here in Ubud. And later, from Gautama Selatan, we can go to Gautama Utara or just Gautama, yeah? And then we will arrive at the main road, guys. And as you can see, the weather is really unpredictable. Few hours ago, I walked around Jalan Jembawan. It was sun shining and then now starting to rain again. It was so cloudy. Yeah, so this is what will happen during rainy season in Bali. Sometime in a day you will see like raining on and off, or sometime sun shining in one day, and it's very seldom time we have like full day rain, guys. Okay, anyway, let's continue walking around in this area. And as you can see, there are so many cafes, restaurants, and so far still not really busy yet. Maybe because of the weather, or generally Bali is a low season at the moment. Not so many or not so busy. Everywhere I've been to, Kuta or Seminyak, here, Canggu, it's so, yeah. I mean, every year is like this, low season. But this year, the low season of this year, I think is a bit lower compared than last year. Yeah, not really sure. Maybe people traveling to other country as well, or the economy is not doing really well at the moment. But I just hope that everyone will able to travel to Bali, especially if you love to come here to Bali. Yeah, what is this? Is it a new restaurant? Kimu Ramen. Here, Mudra Warung. Here also another warung. What is this warung? What? Is it Puspa Warung, I think? Yeah, Puspa Warung. Yeah, still not really busy at the moment. Do you have your favorite cafe or restaurants maybe in this area? Art Cycles Bali. What is this? Looks nice shops. And next to it's another Anis Thai warung or cafe. But what is happening with this Dapur Raja, guys? I think it is closed and the place is empty. Not really sure. But next to it, Shishi Horde. How you pronounce it? Shishi Horde? It is doing okay. That is Jalan Gautama Selatan. And if you don't bring your umbrella, there are some people selling raincoat here, like this lady here, and also the gentleman down there. Yeah, so you don't need to worry. You just bring your umbrella and then you will be fine walking around in this area or other area in Bali, because most of the things are still open. Restaurants, cafe, bars. But in Ubud, I don't really see bars because I think Ubud is good like this, yeah. You don't need bar actually in Ubud. If you like party, you can go to south area like Canggu or Seminyak, Kuta, Legian. I hope every area in Bali have their own characteristic. Like here in Ubud, for example, it is more relaxing, chilled cafe, restaurants like this. And if you go out a little bit, you still can see a lot of rice paddies, nature in Ubud. Yeah, if you like get drunk, party, you can go to Canggu, or beach club, you can go to Canggu. Nusa Dua, for example, relaxing beach resorts. Kuta Legian, yeah. Kuta Legian, I think is a bit mixed, yeah. You can have also some hotels or area that you can relax by the beach, and you can go for let's say, crazy party around Legan area. So yeah, every area they have their own good or characteristic. Warung Bia Bia. This is the first time I see this warung is not fully packed. Normally people will get queued to have a what you call that to be seated here. Not really busy like last time I came here, but I think still okay, still good. There are a lot of tourists walking around in this area. And here is the Utama Spice. Last time I came here, they sell basically a lot of oils, aromatherapies, many things there. What is this? Is this a new place? I think it's been here for a while. Ubud Raw Chocolate Cacao. Spas. Indoor garden, homestay, warung, and spas, and here nasi campur, guys. Nasi campur vegetarian, 35k. Nasi campur with chicken, 40k. It looks good. This is the picture. You got a bit of everything: vegetable, satay, and lawar or urap. Healthy warung. Wow, this looks good. Yeah, I'll show you what I have here. Healthy juice, fresh juice, and here also smoothie bowls menu. I have so many kinds of balanced food. Wow, this looks good. Got chicken satay, mee goreng, gado-gado, and a lot more. Chap-chai. Hey, if you like to try or to eat balanced food or Indonesian food in this area, you have an option down there. This one looks new. What is this? Night roaster? Is this restaurant your favorite? Toro. Japanese dining. Oh, look at this cafe. It's always busy. This one is doing really good. And we have arrived here at the main street of Jalan Raya Ubud, guys. Let's keep walking here. Look at this. There is a new things here. Fast to go. Nice croissant here, pastries. And you can see it here now. Wow. Some upgrade here in this area, the main street of Ubud. It should be nice to see it here. Enjoy some pastries, some coffees. Meanwhile, watching the street. And it's good to see there's no traffic jam in this area at the moment. Normally, it is really busy street here, guys. A lot of traffic jam. But tonight, as you can see, it is okay. This is simply social. Halo, jalan-jalan. And the rain is stopping now, so that is how fast the weather can change. Rain and then dry, and then suddenly rain again, and then dry again. But this is the real situation from Bali. And this is the footpath close by the art market here in Ubud. Still, the building's not done yet. That's why people need to sell their stuff here. Maybe it's not really convenient for you that love or like to walk around here because the footpath is smaller because of that sellers, but still okay, still fine. I mean, you still can walk. What is this? I think the government cleaning the area here. They close it. I don't know if they want to build something, but This is what is happening here in Ubud Center. What they will build. Revitalisasi pasar tematik. So basically, it is renovation, cleaning the area, and I think the art market will open again soon, which is good. There was fire accidents from that building before, so now yeah, this is the situation. I think it's being cleaned here, and soon this place will be open, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, let's cross the road. Don't follow my way to cross the road unless you adapt with the lifestyle here in Bali. If you wait, you will keep waiting until tomorrow, maybe. And here's the Ubud Palace. As usual, every evening they will perform dance, Lagong dance normally, and you will see people selling tickets here, like these ladies. Hello. Yeah, if you like to watch, you can get tickets here. The show will start soon. I think from 7, yeah, from 7:30 or 7:30. Price is 100,000 rupiah. Okay, let's cross the road here. Yo, 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 yo. Let's go. And this is Jalan Monkey Forest. If you keep going straight down there, you will arrive at the Monkey Forest. And it's really busy at the moment. Traffic jam at the crossroad in front of the palace. But it's not really bad, I think. It's only close by from the palace, the traffic jam. But look at this here. It's really busy. There's a lot of tourists here. Tropical restaurant. And you can try your fish spa there. Here, Indian restaurant in front of us. What is this here? Tiki Bus Bali? There's a party bus now? It is copying the Legian party bus, I think. It is a bit strange actually to see party bus here in Ubud. It is normal to see in the south area like Legian or Kuta. There are many of them. In Ubud, I think maybe they are the one and only. Okay, let's just keep walking here and enjoy the atmosphere of this area in Ubud at night, guys. So for you to plan to stay around here or to visit Ubud, at least you know what to expect, especially in this area. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video from here in Ubud area. I hope you enjoyed it. For you that have a request to see certain area in Ubud, I still keep the request, and next time I will find my way to walk around here and to check the situation in here in Ubud area, guys. Okay, so that's all for this time video. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much, and bye 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 bye.